Good morning, Prakash bhai. How are you?
Good morning, Chotu bhai. मैं ठीक है. How are you?
I'm very good. I hope all is good with your family.
Yeah, they're all doing great, and I believe you and your family, including Vishal bhai, they're all doing great.
Thank you so much, sir. So we are highly delighted to have Prakash bhai all the way from Trichur. He's the director of Kalyan Silks, who has more than 29 branches. He's one of the biggest names in our industry. Sir, thank you for your time and effort. It's a pleasure to talk to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for having me over.
First question, sir, about the current scenario. As you know, the lockdown is extended. Any strategy or any planning have you done for your retail stores, sir?
Sir, to put it very short and sweet, what strategy can you actually do right now? Like if you go
Yes.
for like telling a small story, right now your house or your house roof is on fire. So the first thing
Yes.
that we are planning to do is to how to douse the fire, and after dousing the fire only we can decide whether we can live in that house or not. God alone knows what is going to be the scenario after 15 days or 20 days. So we will have to wait and watch as to how things are going to progress, and only then we might be able to take a call. So as of now, the only strategy is, what do I say? Like sit, eat, enjoy your life.
That's such a cool answer, sir. One more thing, as we know, Kalyan Silk is the leading brand in Kerala, and Prakash bhai, you have already missed out on the season of Vishu, Easter, and kind of you missed out on Eid as well. So are you looking at Onam directly for the next season, or you think there are going to be a couple of months where you'll have some movement at the business?
See, that's a very good question, Chotu bhai, because Onam is the only next season that we can actually look at right now, because April and May is almost gone, or it's totally gone, and June, July is basically kind of rainy season in Kerala. So the
Yes.
only next hope for us is Onam. That is for sure. More than that, 30% of your business is already lost. In 2 months, if fortunately Kalyan Silks is a 1,300 crore revenue group with only Indian operations.
Wow.
Okay. And with 30% revenues out, we are already talking about like 300, 400 crores that is already gone till the end
Yes.
of May. Even though right now we are talking in the mid of April, May also, with the kind of things that is actually happening right now, Kerala is the only state that is actually doing well as far as health and as far as controlling of coronavirus is happening. If you look at states like Maharashtra, Delhi, all the major consumer states, there they still not have the basic idea as to how to control these stuff. So
Yes,
we
sir.
still don't know when or whether the lockdown is going to get lifted by 3rd of May. Even if it get lifted, we don't know how things are going to happen. So 30% of your business is already out. And more importantly, Chotu bhai, whether we are looking at seasons or not, the very big question that has to be answered here is, people are actually under lockdown for more than a month now, or close to a month now.
Yes.
So they actually have an exact figure in their hand as to how much money they need to live every month. Because previously they were living a luxurious life. Now, to sustain their livelihood, to sustain their life without any kind of films or any kind of entertainments, without buying clothes, without doing any online orders from Flipkarts or Amazons or anything, for a bare minimum decent life, they have understood that this is the only amount that is required. Now, for people to come out of that spending habit will take a long time.
Yes. Yes, perfectly
So
right.
even though the lockdown is lifted, even though the sentiments gets better, say 20 to 30% of the public decides, I'm going to start saving my money for a future crisis like this, then you had it like 30% public decides that, then your business is definitely going to go to the dogs.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, before closing it up, first I would like to congratulate from our entire garment industry for a huge donation you made to the PM's fund. Thank you so much from the entire industry, sir. And secondly, I would like you to give a small positive message for the entire garment and textile industry, which is a 5 crore plus industry. 5 crore people are employed, because everybody is in a nervous state right now. Kindly have some positive words from you, sir.
See, positivity is definitely the only thing that keeps us going, Chotu bhai, because without positivity and without ambitions, you cannot move forward in life. And as far as the positive note is concerned, the only thing that I can tell all our colleagues or all our business associates, we have to keep fingers crossed and wait for the best to happen. Because one article which I read 2 days back was the Hermes store in China, Guangzhou, where they did 20 crores of sale on the day of opening, which is unheard of. So we should also be thinking on those lines, saying that since people have actually not started opening, people have not got an opportunity to buy, I would coin a phrase called the revenge buying. Since I was not able to spend for such a long time, let me go ahead and start spending money. Another thing that I spoke to a couple of my friends or my cousins was, in Thailand, they had an example when the jewelry store started opening up. The sales was phenomenal because people are not able to buy for almost 1.5 to 2 months at a stretch.
Okay.
So we should always be positive as far as business is concerned. Hopefully things should work in. My only advice to all our fellow business people is try and maintain the best possible workforce, because I know we are all going through a very, very bad phase right now. But the people who are actually working with us are always hand-to-mouth people. Even if the lockdown extends for maybe a month or two, I'm sure most of the people who are hearing this video would appreciate that we will definitely survive maybe for the next 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6 months.
Yes, sir.
Because we've done whatever best possible has been possible for our family so far. But if you look at the employees who are earning a meager salary of 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, that is their only livelihood.
Yes, sir.
So rather than just focusing on our daily profits or monthly profits that we are earning, let us decide that 2020 is not there in our history itself or not there in our life. We will be looking at only 2021.
Yes, sir.
And make sure that our employees are well taken care of, because without the employees, you are a big zero. So it is only the employees who will be able to help you to work, who will help you to grow in future. And most of your employees would be old employees because their family depends only on you.
Yes.
So my humble request is to take care of your employees as best as possible and make sure they are felt at home.
On such a lovely human thought, we thank you, Prakash Bhai from Kalyan Silks. Thank you so much for your time, sir. And the entire industry looks up to you. We love you to have it in the episode. And thank you so much, sir. Namaskaram.
Thank you, Chotu Bhai, and wishing you and the entire family and whole of Diya wonderful year ahead.
Thank you, sir.